Today I'm going to find out which sauce tastes better with our kaffir leaf seasoning. I'm going to be trying it with whole milk, coconut milk, and with almond milk. And by the end of this video, we're going to find out which one tastes better. But first, I'm going to show you how to make the sauces, and then we're going to taste it. All right, let's go to the kitchen. We're going to do coconut milk. I don't want to waste, so make sure that. Kaffir leaf seasoning. Right. Just mix it in. Whole milk, seasoning, kaffir lime seasoning. Mix, mix, mix. Oil, almond milk. Seasoning. Mix. We'll put this away. Now we're gonna do a tasting. This one is the whole milk. Coconut milk. Very creamy. Almond milk. Wow. You have to try this. Let me know in the comments which one you like better.